guys, it's Maine, and today I bought this slime kit. I bought it at a slime shop thing, and I got this. So yeah, it was $1, and yeah, and the back says what you will get is a spoon, bowl, packet 1, packet 2, instructions. And this one is special edition, and you only make the slime with 2 ingredients. So I'm gonna get my scissors and open this up. So I got my scissors. Sorry about this thing here. Yeah, I got a bad lighting, so I think I'm gonna open this. Oh. Okay. Oh, there's an instruction. So here's the instruction. Here's what I get. I got packet 1. Oh my. Packet 2. A spoon. A bowl. This doesn't look like a bowl. I guess I could work with it, right? Yeah. And the instructions. So let's read the instructions. First step. Put packet 1 in the bowl. Okay. So let's open packet 1 up. How can I get it out? Whoa, it feels like clay. Whoa, that feels so weird. That is weird. Okay, so I got it in the bowl. And the second step is add packet 2 little by little. Okay. So, oh my. This feels weird. Packet 2 feels super weird. I hope nothing weird is inside it. I think this is the activator or something. There we go. Oh my. I think I need to open it a bit more. Oh my goodness. This is like some sort of liquid. Okay, so I'm gonna get the spoon and scoop this up. They said little by little, so did they mean this much? Okay. I'm gonna add like this much. Is that too much? I don't know. I think that's good for now. And okay, so and step 3, knead it till you get slime. Well, that's helpful. So I guess we just play with it. Ew, this feels so weird. So we need to do this step over and over till we get slime. Ew, this feels super weird. What is the liquid thing? Well, I think this is some sort of clay, the yellow one, but oh my gosh, it's starting to get smooth and kind of stretchy. Not really stretchy, but starting to get smooth. I hope this is not a scam or anything, because I really want this. I really want to make slime. I don't think I'll need the bowl for some reason. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add more packet 2. More packet 2. How much should I add? This much. So, ew. I'm gonna keep kneading. So I've been kneading it and adding packet 2. Yep, packet 2 is finished. So I think they gave me a good amount, but I don't think it's enough. And look at my hand. I think if you see closely, yeah, look at that. It's super yellow, and this is the finished product. I think this is like butter slime, I guess. It's not stretchy, but let's see if I can spread it. Whoa, that was a good spread. That was so good. Oh my. Oh no, it's on my table. Okay, so let's just get that off. So I don't think this is that good or that bad. If you want to buy this, well, I guess you could buy it, but I think I would rather buy a different slime kit because this slime kit is like $1.99. I think it's a bit expensive for some reason because like this is what you get. They don't even give me a container. Okay, I think that's it for my video. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.